Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. In Java, input and output, I/O, refer to the operations of reading data from sources, like files, keyboard, network, etc., and writing data to destinations, like files, console, etc. Java provides a rich set of classes for performing I/O operations in a flexible and efficient manner. Overview of Java I/O. Java I/O is primarily divided into two packages. 1. Java.io. This package provides classes for system input and output through data streams, serialization, and the file system. It includes classes like file, InputStream, OutputStream, reader, and writer. 2. Java.nio. Introduced in Java 1.4, this package provides a more efficient way to perform I/O operations, particularly when dealing with buffers and channels. It is designed for scalable I/O operations. Key concepts. Streams. In Java, a stream is a sequence of data. There are two main types. Byte streams handle raw binary data, example images, audio. Classes, InputStream and OutputStream. Character streams handle character data, example text files. Classes, reader and writer. File handling, operations like creating, reading, writing, and deleting files are handled using the file class. Serialization, the process of converting an object into a byte stream, allowing it to be saved to a file or transmitted over a network. Basic I/O classes. File class represents a file or directory path. InputStream and OutputStream, abstract classes for byte streams. Reader and writer, abstract classes for character streams. File InputStream and File OutputStream, used for reading from and writing to files. Buffered reader and buffered writer, used to read and write text efficiently. Example, reading from and writing to a file. Let's create a simple example that demonstrates writing data to a file and then reading it back. Step 1, writing to a file. Here is a code example that demonstrates writing to a file using file writer and buffered writer. Step 2, reading from a file. Now, let's read the data we just wrote to the file using file reader and buffered reader. Explanation of the code. 1. Writing to a file. We create a file writer object that takes the file path as a parameter. We wrap it in a buffered writer to improve performance. We write content to the file and handle potential I/O exceptions. 2. Reading from a file. We create a file reader object for the file path. We wrap it in a buffered reader to read text efficiently. We read lines in a loop and print them until the end of the file is reached. Conclusion. Java I/O is a powerful and flexible way to handle data in Java applications. By understanding the key classes and concepts, you can easily perform file operations, manage character and byte streams, and work with serialization. The examples provided give a foundational understanding of how to read from and write to files in Java.